Can you tone it down a little bit? You're kind of loud. Look, everybody must be cold because they've all come in the front yard to hang out on my deck. Excuse me. They've all come in the front yard to hang out on the deck and poop all over my deck. They're pooping everywhere. They're nipping into the garbage. Pardon me. They're nipping into the garbage bag that I have out here with some garbage in it. And there's Cyrus. Oh my gosh, you guys. You go back in the backyard. This is ridiculous. Look, there's chicken poop all over my deck, and there's nothing I can do about it because it's frozen. And you guys, what are you doing up here? Go into the backyard. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What am I going to do with you guys? Should I let you all in the house? Yeah, right. How am I going to clean this up when it's frozen? Well, I don't know. You gonna say something? You have something to say? Anything else? You wanna get off? You wanna get off your chest?